So Mazda Rx-7 FC, second generation US version, original left-hand drive for restoration. Ayan. So we're now going to remove the engine. It's a 13B NE engine, non-turbo version. So lower radiator hose. So it's just 12 millimeters. Pudi din pala oh. Tatlong 10. There you go. So that we can have access to the removal of the lower radiator hose, the one on the engine side. There you go. That's the hose for the outlet of the air pump. So removing the lower radiator hose, engine side. Ang galing mo to, abala sa'yo to. Itong bracket ng ano. Lower bracket. Adjusting, tension adjusting of the air pump. There's just a 12mm there. Thermal screwdriver siguro. Aglo yata yan. There you go, the heater core hose. It's very hard to remove that lower radiator hose. Ayaw pa rin. Yun. Din. So that hose is very hard to remove. So as you'll see, the aircon compressor pulley is heavily eaten by corrosion. Look at that. So we're now removing the AC lines. Looks like there's no freon anymore. So another stubborn removal. There's lines of the AC compressor. Here, you'll see there corrosion because of the waste of the racks, the engine bay. There you go. So now to remove the compressor. So there's the magnetic clutch power line socket located there. So we disconnected it already. Remove the strap to remove the line, magnetic clutch line. Now to remove the 4 pieces of 12mm bolt. Uy, tanggal din. Oh, tagal na natulog. So let's check if the center rotates. Ayaw. So the mechanism inside the compressor is already stuck. So removing the compressor bracket. Saan ang power steering pump na ito? Hindi siya power steering. So kasi ang laki ng pump ng power steering nandyan eh. Yung sa turbo version. Gabi. Hindi na. Next to remove this mechanical radiator fan. So to remove the mechanical fan, there are only 4 10mm nuts. There you go. Goes to the map sensor here. So we're going to remove the alternator. There you go. So to remove the socket for the cast, So there you go, the upper intake manifold is now removed and reveals the vacuum nest here. Not too complicated, unlike the Rx-7 FD. There you go. Now to remove the wiring harness from the engine. So to remove the IAC valve. To remove the I-80 sensor. Secondary fuel rail. So secondary fuel rail. So as you'll see, there's a leakage here at the injector grommet. There are 4 12mm nuts, 2 at the top and 2 at the bottom to remove the throttle body. So now to remove this throttle body. There you go. To remove the upper, separate the upper intake manifold with the lower. The injector diffusers are still here also. So this is the upper intake manifold. This is the vacuum diaphragm to control the double throttle plate, prevent full engine power, to prevent hard acceleration during cold starts. So this is the primary fuel rail.